How to fix promo code not valid error on Duolingo Max. First of all, let's make sure the Duolingo app on your mobile is updated to the latest version. So open the Google Play Store on your phone. Once you are in, use the search bar to find the Duolingo app. Once you get the search results, check if an update is available. If you see the update button, tap on it to install the latest version. Now if the issue still exists, let's try cleaning the cache. Let's navigate and open the settings app on your phone. Once you are in, find the app section and tap to open it. Now find the Duolingo app from the list and tap to open it. Next, tap on the storage option. Here, tap clear data at the bottom and clear the cache. If the promo code is still not working, it's possible that the code has expired or is invalid. So find a valid promo code and try again to apply. And that's it. This is how you can fix the promo code not valid error on Duolingo Max. I hope this video is helpful for you. For more information, please subscribe our YouTube channel and thank you for watching.